Good morning, ma'am and friends. Today I will present Chapter 7, Telecommunication, the Internet and Wireless Technology. Here the four objective learning. LO1. What are the principal components of telecommunication network and key network technology? Second, what are the different type of networks? Third, how do the internet and internet technology work and how do they support communication and e-business? What are the principal technology and standard for the wireless network and communication and internet access? Networking and communication trend. Converse is the efficient consistent of telephone, video, and data communication within signal network. Broadband is the generic term used for various types of internet communication using broadband technology. More than 74% US internet users have a broad access. Broadband wireless is a portal internet service that is broadcast on frequency of 2.3 gigahertz and computer network. Two or more connection computer. Major component is simple network like network interface, client and server computer, connection medium, hard switch router, network operation system. Software defined network ACD, function of switch and router measurement center program. Is the network approach in which many of these control functions are managed by one central program, which can run on in a specific cumulative server that are separate from the network's device themselves. Here, the component simple computer network. As we can see here, the another network internet is the router. Switch, they have switch to switch. The first connected to the router and the cable with the to NOS network operation system. Here, NOS or server. After that, we need this another switch to connect it to the PC or computer. Network in large companies. Hundreds of local area networks linked to with corporate network, varies power server with size, website, corporate intranet, extranet, back system, video conference system, telephone network, mobile wireless, LANs, Wi-Fi network, wireless cell phone, corporate network infrastructure. As we can see here, this is telephone system. We can telephone server provider here, connect to the telephone system, and then we can use to connect it to the mobile phone and smartphone. Also here internet. Here we need the provider, internet service provider, the cable to the server, and the another one to the PC or corporate wireless or wireless LNA. Here, we need the wireless internet service provider to connect to mobile Wi-Fi network or to laptop or computer. The type of the network. Here, local area network, LAN, it's up to 500 meters. It's usually used in the office or floor of the building. Campus area network up to 1 million meters, usually in area of college campus or corporate facility. Yeah, metropolitan area network. It's the area used in city or metropolitan area. In wide area network 1, usually in area regional, transcontinental or global area. Here, physical transmit media. Twist pair Y, a standard of corporate where the twist in pair for voice data communication. CAT5 is the most common 10 Mbps length cable, maximum recommended run of 100 meters. The speed is around 10 until 100 plus Mbps. In coaxial cable, the isolated corporate right is a cable of high-speed data transmitted and less subject to interference that twists were currently used for cable TV and for networks with longer run, more than 100 meters, up to 1 Gbps. Fiber optic cable, a standard of the clean glass fiber transmitted data as pulse of the light generation by large cells. Useful for high-speed transmission of a large quantity of data, more expensive than another physical transmission media, used for the last mile delivered to customer and the internet backbone. The speed 50 Mbps to 6 plus Tbps in the wireless transmission media. Here, based on the radio signal of various frequency, include both terrestrial and satellite microforward system and cellular network, used for long distance wireless communication and internet access up to 600 plus Mbps. And transmission speed, they have the beat per second bps and hertz and bandwidth. The internet was most extensive public communication system. It also worked large implementation of client service, client server, computer and interworking link millions of the individual network all over the world. Internet service provided ASPS, provide connection, type of internet connection. Here we can see deal up 56.6 kbps, digital subscriber line, DSL or FiOS 385 kbps till 40 mbps, cable internet connection 1 until 50 mbps, satellite T1, T2 lines 1.54 till 45 mbps. Internet address architecture. The internet based on the TCP or IP network protocol suite described early in this chapter. Every device connected to the internet or another TCP or IP network is assigned a unique internet protocol IP. Address consists of a string number. Each device internet internet address here is a 32-bit number. Example here, this is a special number. They assign a string of number here 207.46.250.119. This is dominant name system, DNS. Convert IP address to dominant, high risk structure, top level dominant. The dominant name system, because it will be increased difficult for internet users to remember long strings of number, and IP address can be present by natural language convert, call it dominant name. The dominant name convert dominant is IPS. The cell maintain database contain IP address mapped to the corresponding domain names. Here we can see the example here how they connected. As you can see here, computer one, cells, and Google and as we can see here, we say computer domain name computer one dot cells dot google.com. If you use the cell, you can say cells.google.com. This one, the dominant, they have a code for the dot. It's like .con. It means like commercial organization or business. .edu, education institute. .gov, use the government agents. .mil, use the military. .net, network computer. .org, any type of organization. .biz, business firm. .info, information provided. Feature Internet IPv6 and Internet 2. The Internet IPv6 new address scheme for IP numbers will provide more than quadrillions new address not compatible with current IPv5 address. Internet 2 advanced network consortium like university, business, government, agency, and other institute. Develop high capacity 100 Gbps testing network. Testing landing adds new technology for the internet. Internet service. Here, internet service email, chatting email. Personal, the function personal to personal message, document sharing, chatting and instant message, interact conversation, new groups, discussing group and electronic bulletin board. Telnet is in logging into one computer system and doing work on another. File transfer protocol, FTP, transfer file from computer to a computer. World Wide Web or WWW, retrieving, formatting, and display information, include text, audio, graph, and video by using the hypertext line links and the voice over IP, VoIP. Digital voice communication is IP packet switch. Provider cable provider, Google Skype. The internet has become popular platform for voice transmission corporation network and unified communication. Communication system that integrate voice, data, email, or conference. The virtual private network VPN is the security encrypted private network that has been configured with a public network to take advantage of the economies of scale and management facility of large networks such as the internet. The web. Here, hypermarket language, HTML. Web pages are based on the standard hypertext. Mark language HTML, which format document and incorporate dynamic links to other document and another object stored in the same or removed computer. HTTP or hypertext transfer protocol. Communication standard used for transferring web is the communication standard that transfer page on the web. Is the first set of the letter at the start of every web address, followed by domain name, which specific the organization server computer that is storing the web page. Uniform Resource Locator or URLs, or we say Uniform Resource Locators or Universal Resource Locators. The director path and website name are two more pieces of the information within the web address that help the browser track down request page. When they type into browser or URL, tell the browser software exactly where to look for the information. Address example we see here, http and www.megachart.com. Web server, software for locating and managing web page. It's a software for locating and managing social web page. It locates the web as a user request on the computer where they are stored and deliver the web page to the user computer. Searching for information on the web, searching engines. Here, a starting simple program use the keyword index, Google Creative Packing Ranking System. As here we can see here, this is the index. We searching the option with some web page, find a specific one that can help you on our business, namely instantly. It's an important problem. The question is how can you find another two page you are really on and need how of billions of index web pages. Search engines attempt to solve the problem of finding useful information on the web nearly instant and arguably they are the killer app of the internet era. Yeah, mobile searching. From the smartphone and tablet make a more 50% of all searching in will spend roughly in the next few years. Google, Amazon, and Yelp have developed new searching interface to make searching and shopping for the smartphone more convenient. Yeah, we can see example the Google, how the people use the Google. 72.9% use the Google, 12.8 Baidu, 7.7 Bing, Yahoo 4.9%, and another 1.7. Social searching. Effort provide more relevant result by including page visit by user social network like Google One, Facebook Live. Semantic searching. Another way for search to become more discriminate and helpful is to make sure the capable understanding what we are looking for. Called semantic searching. The goal is to build a search engine that can really understand human language and behavior. Anticipate what the user is looking for, rate, and simply return millions of links. Intelligent action shopping bots. Using intelligent and software for the searching internet for shopping information. The capability of software agent with the built-in the intelligence that can aggregate or filter information and perform another task to assist the user. Shopping bot using intelligent agent software for searching the internet for shopping information. Shopping bot such as MyShop or Clickable and travel search tools like Trivago can help people interested in making purchase or retain a vacation for filter and information according to criteria the user have established in some of case negotiate with vendor for price and deliver. Cellular system. Compete standard. CDMA, United States only. GSM, rest of world AT and mobile. Digital service uses several computer standards in Europe and much of the world uses United States standard global system for mobile communication or GSM. Strength in the international roaming capability. They are GSM cell phone system in the United States include T-Mobile and AT&T. And 3G network, sorry, for 544 kbps and suite for email access and web browsing. And 4G network up to 100 Mbps suitable for internet video. Now we already use the 5G network. His amount of data in gigabit rates and fewer daily and the ability to connect many more devices. And wireless computer network and internet access. Yeah, the Bluetooth. Bluetooth is popular name for the 802.15 wireless network standard, which is used for creating small personal area network, PANS. It links up to the 8 device within 8-meter area using lower power ratio based communication and can transmit up to 722 kbps in the 2.0 GHz band. Wi-Fi. The G802.11 set of standard for wireless LAN and wireless internet access, also known as Wi-Fi. The first of this standard to be widely adopted was 802.11b, which can transmit up to 11 Mbps in the unlicensed 2.4 GHz band and has effective distance of 30 to 50 meters. And Wi-Fi Max or VMAX. Surprising large number of areas in the United States as throughout the world do not have access to Wi-Fi or fixed broad connection. The range of Wi-Fi system is more than 300 feet from the base station, making it difficult for rural groups that don't have cable or DSL to find wireless to the internet. Actually, we use this one. The speed is good, but we should have the requirement with antennas, wireless access antennas. Here the example or the figure Bluetooth network. Here we use the Bluetooth to connect every smartphone. Also we use the wireless Bluetooth to print to every Bluetooth we connect with the printer, also to smartphone, wireless to or keyboard to the computer, or computer to the printer, or smartphone to the computer. And also wireless LAN. Here we need internet to router. Here is provider. This is a cable to the server and to the PC. And then if the wireless, we do not the cable anymore. We need only the provider here, and then we need the is already connected with the computer or laptop. That's all for me. Thank you.